This lovely chalet is on the slopes of Mount Pora, surrounded by the Alto Sabino Park and about midway between Boario Terme and Lake Iseo. This 120 square metre house, built in a typical mountain style, has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and is move-in ready. It is surrounded by exquisite nature, including some of the best hiking and skiing in Italy and nearby Switzerland. It's also within easy reach of the beautiful larger cities of Bergamo, Brescia, Verona and Trento. This is a wonderful opportunity to own a little piece of paradise in the mountains of Lombardy for just €54,000. More information, including links to the original listing and Realtors' contact information, can be found in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please share, like and subscribe, or keep watching all of our videos. Your support is appreciated and allows us to continue to share more Italian houses we love under €150,000 every week. There are so many more, and we can't wait to share them.